The exhaust after-treatment system contains 3 filters, 2 for the exhaust fluid and 1 for the air side of the after-treatment system. I'd like to talk briefly about these filters. Firstly, the exhaust fluid has a filter inside the exhaust fluid tank. That is changed on a yearly basis. The second exhaust fluid filter is located in the exhaust fluid pump. One thing critical about this exhaust fluid filter is that it is vulnerable to hydrocarbon. Beneath the filter is a rubber spacer block. If for any reason this rubber spacer block detects hydrocarbon in the exhaust fluid, it will expand. This is a key indicator that the exhaust fluid has experienced hydrocarbon. The air filter here is located right beside the exhaust fluid pump on this side of the truck. The air filter is responsible for filtering contaminants such as hydrocarbons from the air supplied to the exhaust fluid pump and dosing unit. This filter and the exhaust fluid filter are changed at every sea service.